So I feel like we should have expected this to eventually happen, but now it's officially here. So Honor is releasing a flippable cell phone, but what, again, most people can expect, the full outside display of the cell phone is a display. So, Motorola has gone really in depth to make the whole outside display of their cell phones, a full display for the flippable cell phones. Samsung has done a good job as well, but it looks like Honor is fully doing that 100%. So every inch of this outside of this flippable cell phone by Honor is a display. And that lets you be able to use a full 16:9 ratio applications. It lets you be able to use a lot more applications. It really opens up the floodgates for a lot of different, companies or developers to really get on board and start developing for this flippable cell phone, which I will give a lot of props to Honor for, because I think this really opens up the gates here. So I'll be interested to see how Motorola, kind of comes back with their phone this year. They have the 50 Plus, and also how will, Samsung kind of do their thing. Now, Samsung, obviously, their flippable phones coming out next month. So there's not really much they're going to change, if anything, from now until next month with their release of their flippable foldable phones. But Motorola still has some time, so let's see what they, kind of go toward. Now, obviously, Honor is not an international brand. You're not going to be able to get Honor in America. So it's not like there's a huge, big difference for Americans when it comes to this. But when it comes to European countries and China especially, this is something that's going to be a huge kind of back and forth, because right now, this is the way forward, is to add as big of an outside display as humanly possible and make it to a point where it's just the whole outside display is the whole cover display. Now, I don't know where they're going to go after that, though. See, that's the thing. It's like at some point, you can't add anything else or change anything else, but these companies always try to one-up themselves and add more and more. We're going to see if anything, gets added on down the line here, but overall wise, love to see it. Love to see the, industry in general getting a boost and, moving forward in my opinion, the correct direction, which is give better products to the consumer. And you gotta love to see it for that said reason. But guys, definitely tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. Make sure to like and subscribe down below if you are new. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.